Welcome to Lesson 2B of ATCpro. This lesson will demonstrate how to adjust some important settings on the main setup screen called the duty desk before you are ready to start a controlling session. At the top of the duty desk, your controller profile name and career status are shown. Click on your name to change or create a new controller profile. You can select career or sandbox mode. In sandbox mode, you can use any settings you like to practice features in ATCpro, so for now start with sandbox mode selected. Click the down arrow to the right of the facility name box to see the available facilities. Currently we have Albuquerque, Atlanta, Miami, and Knoxville available. A map of the terrain and airports in the area is shown in the left-hand window. The facility level is given, and there is a short description of what to expect in controlling the sector. Click on the heading icons to expand the settings options and see the information. Use the scroll bar on the right to see more of the expanded information below. Click on the cloud icon to expand the weather options area. Here you can download real current weather or set the wind direction and cloud cover manually. Click and drag on the compass needle to change the wind direction. Click and drag on the wind slider to set the wind speed. Click on the cloud cover icons to set the cloud cover. If you hover the mouse over the airport symbols on the map to the left, you will see the METAR coded weather information. If using real downloaded weather in the sim, you will be able to display up to 5 map overlays of cloud cover on the radar scope, depending on the severity of the weather. If you choose user selected weather, there is no cloud cover display. The weather settings will not change between sessions, so you can click on the upper cloud icon to hide the weather options area. Click on the plane icon to expand the traffic generation area. ATCpro provides actual airline schedules for the commercial flights within the simulation. It also allows for various other types of traffic as well. Some of the facilities can become extremely busy, reflecting their real-world counterparts. In order to give you control over the frequency and type of new traffic, ATCpro provides multiple adjustment sliders for each traffic type. You will see icons for departures, arrivals, and other types of traffic, so start by clicking on the departures icon to expand the area. Here you can set the traffic percentages for each of the traffic types. Click and drag the sliders to change the percentage. By default, all traffic levels will be set to 100%. Expand the arrivals and other traffic areas and adjust the levels as desired in the same way described. Click on the position selection icon to select the positions you want to control. Click on the slide switch to choose between you controlling a position and the computer controlling. The control boundary for each position is shown on the map to the left. If you choose computer control for all positions, you will be able to sit back and watch without any interaction on your part. This is an excellent way to learn air traffic control procedures and phraseology, and to get familiar with the scope and airspace of the facility. At the bottom on the screen is a session summary area. Here you can see the results of the settings you have set before you begin your shift. The traffic flow is given based on wind direction in the weather options section. The primary airport with departure and arrival runways is shown. The total number of arriving and departing flights in the next hour is given for each of the flight types based on the settings in the traffic generation options section. On the right side, click and roll the mouse wheel to scroll the numbers of the clock and day of the week. The total flights per hour will change to reflect the different traffic load for each time and day of the week. The graph represents when flights will be entering the sector or departing the airports over the course of the hour, so you can visualize the traffic load at any point in time. Click the Begin Your Shift button when ready to start the simulation. Note that your controlling session will begin with traffic on the scope under computer control. You will be given a briefing by the controller you are relieving, and then it's up to you to keep them separated. Good luck! That's all for this lesson. You can proceed to Lesson 3A.